Greetings. Welcome to Yojanadharsh. We are an enterprise aiming to elevate grassroots entrepreneurs to a global front. Myself, Adarsh from Yojanadharsh University, Chennai, here to provide a walkthrough about our business. The critical challenges faced by our enterprises are lack of awareness, low digital and functional literacy, leading to missed opportunities and reduced profits, causing stalled innovation and hindering their growth. Despite the abundance of government scheme and support mechanisms, our enterprises are often unaware about these things, preventing our entrepreneurs from thriving on a global stage. The target users are grassroots entrepreneurs, MSMEs, community groups, and skilled artisans. Based on our research, we found that their core needs are access to legitimate information, gaining credibility for their products, supported documentation and digital literacy, guidance for use of various tools, support of business scaling, and exposure to markets. We here at Yojanadharsh, we bridge the gap in awareness and literacy among the enterprises through targeted outreach program. We support them through documentation and help them gain credible certifications, equip them with digital tools, help to foster an inclusive community that encourages shared growth and collaboration, offer exposure to different markets. We also act as a bridge between enterprises and investors, thereby addressing their financial challenges. We align with three main SDGs: SDG 8, decent work and economic growth; SDG 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure; SDG 10, reduced inequalities. We aim to promote an inclusive economic growth by enabling enterprises to thrive, reduce unemployment, and provide decent work across all communities. We strengthen the digital infrastructure by providing them with technological advancements, and we aim to reduce socio-economic inequalities by empowering all groups of communities to grow. The scalability of our service include we as a digital platform we can be easily scaled and we can be expanded into skill as a service. Our market connecting is basically B2B or even direct to customers. And the value proposition we add to the society is to empower entrepreneurs through access to different schemes, digital support, finance, and markets, promoting inclusive, sustainable growth, thereby reducing inequalities and promoting Indian enterprises. Now let's have a look at our business model canvas, which encompasses all key parameters, including key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer relationship, customer segments, key resources, channels, cost structure, and revenue streams. Now let's move on and have a look at our minimum viable prototype. The digital portal of Yojanadharsh. Here we can register ourselves by providing all credentials about our business, and upon registering, we can log in with the email address and password. It is a highly secured network, and it can be trusted by the government. Having logged in, we can see the home dashboard, which has features including featured government schemes based on the filters which we have provided. It provides us with quick actions, including getting certified, finding fundings, finding marketplace. We can also enhance our knowledge by learning about different things and get certified. We can also request for a documentation support, and we have provision to track our applications status and our recent activities. Our next feature includes schemes and resources. Moving into this page, we can access all the schemes and resources available. These are the featured schemes based on our profile, which we have provided earlier. We can search through filters by filtering the state, the sectors, the eligibility. So based on that, this would be the result which we are getting. And let's move on to the next section, which is our profile. Here in our profile, we can have a profile overview. We can have details about our business, the documents which we have provided, our past applications, and our recent activities. We can also edit our business information and save the changes over here. And next thing is certifications. We can learn about new things and gain credible certification, which helps our business to grow. For example, MSME registration, GST registration. And for example, if you want to start a certification, just by giving start certification, we can check the eligibility criteria, the benefits which we get, the overview, etc. And by clicking start certification process, we can start the certification. And this is the progress tracker, where we can find the progress. So here in our dashboard, we can apply different filters, filter by state, filter by business sectors, filter by our eligibility categories, and filter by scheme type. And by applying these filters, you would get personalized result. So our digital platform aims at promoting digital literacy, help them gain credible certifications, help them find marketplace, help them get funding, and also get certified. Here we can have an personalized suggestions about different government schemes, so that all Indian enterprises can thrive on a better stage. Thank you.